Jamaica Politics drama series is coming back soon. And trust us, this season loud. Expect vim, vigor, vitality, no compromise, no backing down, no apology. This is Parliament is a battlefield. Words cut deep, egos collide, power gets tested. In Jamaica, politics was never boring, but this season, it turned full drama. So fasten your seatbelts. This is context, commentary, and clarity, not noise. Jamaican Parliament series. Coming soon. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss an episode.
Thank you.
Do that again, disrespectful, rude. Don't you ever dare do that. Show some respect here.
Anytime I feel to turn it on, to get back in the public domain and let the people know that we will not be misled. Because while they are out there spreading lies and misinformation, we were busy working. We'll deal with that part of it too. Because, some people want elections. Don't worry. Careful what you wish for.